Ever felt like AI chatbots just don't get you, leaving you with frustratingly vague or irrelevant responses? You're not alone. Vague prompts often lead to disappointing results, but the secret to unlocking AI magic lies in crafting better prompts. In this video, we'll show you how to get the most out of AI chatbots, even if you're a complete beginner, transforming your interactions. AI chatbots are incredibly powerful, yet literal assistants. They need clear, precise instructions to deliver exactly what you want. Think of it like giving directions. The more specific and detailed you are, the better and more accurate the outcome will be. Effective prompting significantly boosts accuracy, saves valuable time, and truly unlocks the immense potential of artificial intelligence. Our first crucial tip is to add context. Providing background information helps the AI understand your specific needs and tailor its response. Consider your audience and the purpose of the output. For instance, instead of "explain climate change," try "explain climate change to a 10-year-old." Next, define a persona for the AI. Giving it a specific role helps it adopt the right tone and expertise for your request. For example, instruct the AI, "You are a marketing expert. Write a social media post about," to guide its approach. Our third tip is to specify the desired format. Clearly tell the AI if you want a list, a summary, a story, or even a poem. For instance, a prompt like "create a bulleted list of the benefits of meditation" ensures a structured and easy-to-read response. Finally, iterate on your questions. Don't settle for the first answer, but refine your prompts based on the AI's initial output. Ask for more details, rephrase your question, or provide additional context to continuously improve the results. Let's see the difference these tips make with a quick before and after example. Before, a vague prompt like "write a blog post about AI" yields a generic, unhelpful response. After, a detailed prompt like "you are a tech blogger. Write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of AI for small businesses," using a friendly and informative tone generates a well-written, engaging response. See the remarkable difference? A little effort in crafting your prompts truly goes a long way in achieving superior outcomes. To summarize, remember to add context, define a persona, specify the format, and iterate on your questions. With these simple yet powerful tips, you can unlock the full potential of AI chatbots and achieve truly amazing results. Now it's your turn. Practice these new skills and see what incredible things you can create with AI. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more essential AI tips and tricks.